हाँ लिखिए आप, what are the causes of monopoly or why does monopoly arise? What are the causes responsible for arising monopoly in the market? किस तरह एक मार्केट मोनोपोली मार्केट बन जाता है? कौन कौन से काजेस है, कौन कौन सी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो एक मार्केट को मोनोपोली बना देती है? कौन कौन से स्टेप्स, कौन कौन से फीचर्स या कौन कौन से काजेस, वजूहात हैं जो एक मार्केट को मोनोपोली बनाते हैं? आप आंसर लिख लीजिए। मोनोपोली मार्केट arise due to following causes. Due to following causes. Number first cause आप लिख लीजिए, गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग। गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग, और हम कहेंगे गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल। गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल। So first cause is government can make a market a monopoly market. It gives license to only one person to produce a particular product or to sell a particular product. So it is government which makes a market a monopoly market by giving licenses, by granting license to a particular producer. So government, इसको आप लिख लीजिए, the government may give or issue license to a particular seller or producer to produce or sell a particular product. Sell a particular product. So, in this way, the monopoly arises. So, government may give or issue license to a particular seller or producer to produce a particular product or to produce or to sell a particular product. No other producer or seller can sell or produce that product which makes a market of a product, which makes market of a product a monopoly market. So government license or government control can make a market a monopoly market by issuing or giving or granting a particular producer or seller license that only this producer or seller can produce or sell this product. Accordingly, monopoly market comes into existence. Also, one more, the government may decide to control the production of certain goods. Sometimes government controls the production of certain goods. Also, sometimes government controls the production of a certain product, through its departmental undertakings or through its departmental enterprises like railways. no other entrepreneur can get in the railway sector. Only government has power to produce rails, run rails on its railway tracks. दूसरे को इजाजत नहीं है उस पे रेल चलाने की या रेल बनाने की. So railway is an example of monopoly market. So this is the first cause responsible for monopoly market. Next is very important, which is asked in the examination, patent right. What is this patent right? Patent right. Patent right is the official recognition. It is the official or government recognition, official recognition given to a new innovator. Given to a new innovator of a new product, of a new product or technology. So this is the meaning of patent right. Nobody can copy the product or technology without obtaining license. Nobody can copy the product or technology. The product or technology without getting or obtaining license from the patent holder, without obtaining license from the patent holder, patent right holder. So it is an official recognition which is given to a new innovator who innovates or who discovers or who invents new products or new technology. Nobody can copy that product or nobody can copy that technology without obtaining license or permission from the patent right holder. It is given for a fixed period of time. It is given, that is patent right. It is given for a fixed period of time, which is called patent life. Which is called patent life. ये कुछ मुद्दत के लिए 4 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 20 साल ये उसके लिए दी जाती है. After that, after the expiry of patent life, anybody can enter into that production. The production of that very good. So it is given for a fixed period of time, which is called patent life. So patent life, what is patent life? Now, next is patent life. Patent life is the number of years. Is the number of years. Patent life is the number of years for which a patent right is granted. For which patent right is granted. Patent right is granted. So what is patent right? It is an official recognition or government recognition given to new producers, new discoveries, new technologies, so that their interests can be saved, their interests can be secured. So new products secure patent right. It is given to a producer or a seller who invents or discovers new products in the market. It was to save their interests. Nobody can copy that product or technology without obtaining permission or license from the patent right holder. This patent right is given for a fixed period of time, which is called patent life. Patent life is the number of years for which patent right is granted. So we can say the new practice may secure patent right. It amounts to monopoly. Thus we can say, thus grant of patent right, thus grant of patent right creates monopoly in the market, creates monopoly in the market. ये मिसाल ऐसी है कि अगर अथर या मरियम कोई नया चीज मार्केट में लाएगी जो अभी तक मार्केट में नहीं था, वो अपने घर में कोई रिसर्च करेगी, कोई डेवलपमेंट करेगी, अपनी लेबोरेटरी में कोई नया चीज मार्केट में लाएगी, उसके लिए बहुत टाइम उसको लगेगा, बहुत पैसा उसको लगेगा इन नया चीज बनाने में, तो गवर्नमेंट इसको एक रिकॉग्निशन देती है, एक लाइसेंस देती है, एक राइट देता है कि खाली आप ही ये चीज बना सकते हो, nobody has right to produce this new product, nobody can copy your product. ये आपको कुछ टाइम के लिए दिया जाएगा, 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 20 साल, ताकि आप अपना जो अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट की है इस प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में, नई इनोवेशन लाने में, जो आपने टाइम अपना लगाया, पैसा अपना लगाया, वो आप रिकवर कर सकते हो. तो जब आपकी पेटेंट लाइफ खत्म हो जाएगी, then and only then others can copy that product and produce that product and sell that product. So this is very important factor or cause responsible for creating monopoly in the market. When only one producer or only one researcher or scholar is given the right to produce this product and sell this product. So monopoly means a single seller or a single producer. When a patent right holder becomes sole producer of this product and sole seller of this product, he or she becomes monopoly in the market. Thus we can say patent right may be secured on a new technology. It is secured on a new technology. It is given to a new technology. It prohibits the use of patented technology by others. So patent right prohibits others. ये दूसरे को रोकती है, मना करती है कि ये चीज आप मत बनाइए क्योंकि ये फलानी आदमी ने इसको तैयार किया है, इस नए तरीके से मार्केट में लाया है. So it is his or her sole right to produce this product or sell this product. So patent right is the one of the main cause which creates monopoly in the market. It is a sole right given to a body or an organization or a person who produces new products, who discovers new products, who invents new products in the market. So these are two causes. Third important cause of monopoly is cartel, which is very important one. Cartel, C-A-R-T-E-L. Cartel, C-A-R-T-E-L. Very important. It is asked in the examination. What is cartel? C-A-R-T-E-L. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, कल भी बताया, cartel. It is when a group of firms or a group of producers or group of sellers form an association, form an organization, which is labeled as a collective decision-making body, which aims to avoid competition in the market. This body decides or fixes one price for a product. So it is a collective decision-making body. Or when a group of firms or producers or sellers, when a group of firms or producers or group of producer or group of sellers form an organization, when a group of firms or producers or sellers form an organization to avoid competition. With each other. Is called cartel. It is a collective decision-making body. Collective decision-making body formed by a group of firms to fix one price and control supply to avoid competition and to enjoy monopoly power. तो ये क्या होता है, जब बहुत सी फर्म्स एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक ही ग्रुप बनाती है और एक डिसीजन मेकिंग बॉडी उसमें से चूज करती है, जो बॉडी एक ही प्राइस फिक्स करती है, एक ही सप्लाई फिक्स करती है। क्यों बनाती है? ताकि एक दूसरे में कंपटीशन क्रिएट न हो और मार्केट प्राइस कम न हो। तो मोनोपोली पावर उससे वो एंजॉय करते हैं। आप कोई एग्जांपल दे सकते हो? तो हिकवा क्या एग्जांपल दिस कार्टेल? शाबाश। So it refers to a collective decision making body. It is a collective decision making body by a group of firms with a view to avoid competition and secure monopoly power or enjoy monopoly power in the market. Competing firms may reach an agreement. These group of firms may reach an agreement on price and output policy so that competition is avoided and a sort of joint monopoly structure of market emerges. So cartel is that situation when a group of firms or producers or sellers form an organization to avoid competition with each other is called a cartel. It is a collective decision-making body formed by a group of firms to fix one price and control supply to avoid competition with each other and enjoy monopoly power. So this is called a cartel. So cartel is an organization formed by a group of firms to fix one price and to control supply and to enjoy monopoly power. So this is the third important cause of this monopoly. Number D is natural factors. Or sometimes we call it natural occurrence. So monopoly may exist also due to natural factor. Monopoly may occur also due to natural occurrence or due to natural factor. कुदरत भी किसी आदमी को कभी मोनोपोली बना देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there is a spring in an island which is owned by one person. A person has a piece of land in an island. There is no water in the island, but due to natural occurrences, a spring comes into existence. Due to God's power, a spring of water, fresh water, giving fresh water, occurs in the island, which is owned by one person. He or she becomes owner of that very spring, and he or she can sell water according to his or her will. He or she can fix price according to his or her own will, and he becomes monopoly due to natural factors, due to natural power. God has made him monopoly. For example, the only spring of water, of fresh water in an island owned by one person. Owned and controlled by one person who can fix own price and control whole supply of water. So किसी के बाग में कोई फ्रेश वाटर आएगा जो कहीं भी नहीं मिलता है, एक सहरा में या एक आइलैंड में, तो द पर्सन बिकम्स ओनर ऑफ दैट. तो कटॉल में एक एग्जांपल मैं दे दूंगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर आर पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज, जिसको हम ओपेक कहते हैं. ओपेक, OPEC, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज. जो अरबियन कंट्रीज हैं वहां पेट्रोल होता है, तो हर एक कंट्री अपने हिसाब से तेल का प्राइस फिक्स नहीं करता है. दे हैव मेड एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, a forum, a group. So that group is called Organization of Petroleum Countries, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. They fix the price as well as supply. So they are enjoying the monopoly power. So these are some of the causes responsible for monopoly. तो ये क्लियर हो गया. अब कुछ हमारे पास है और मैं छोटा सा एक क्वेश्चन आपको दे दूंगा. Why are patent rights granted? क्यों पेटेंट राइट क्यों दिया जाता है? Why are patent rights granted by the government? किसी कंपनी या किसी पर्सन को पेटेंट राइट क्यों दिया जाता है कि खाली आप ही इस पीरियड के लिए इस प्रोडक्ट को बनाओगे और सेल करोगे? आंसर इसका बिल्कुल सिंपल है, इन 1 or 2 sentences. Patent rights are granted for following objectives. Patent rights are granted, are given or accorded for following objectives. और with following views. Number first, एक है इसमें encouraging research and development. इससे encourage होता है research and encouraging research and development. पहला इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, उससे हौसला अफजाई होती है, लोगों में हौसला बढ़ जाता है रिसर्च के लिए, नए चीजों को मार्केट में लाने के लिए. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. सो इट इंक्रीजेस द idea or thought of research and development. So to encourage research and development in the country. Next is encouraging new discoveries and innovations. Encouraging new discoveries and innovations. Encouraging new discoveries and innovations. Discoveries and innovations. DISCOVERIES. Discoveries and innovations. So these are main two objectives of granting this patent rights. So the next top लिख लीजिए merits and demerits of monopoly. छोटा सा क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दे दूंगा, merits and demerits of this monopoly. ये हो गया, लिख लिया ये लिख लिया आपने. क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए merits and demerits of monopoly. इसके मेरिट्स क्या हैं और डिमेरिट्स क्या क्या है. व्हाट आर द मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स ऑफ मोनोपोली. लिखिए पहले मेरिट्स. मेरिट्स लिख लीजिए. मेरिट्स ऑफ मोनोपोली. फर्स्ट मेरिट लिख लीजिए हाई लेवल ऑफ स्किल एंड एफिशिएंसी. हाई लेवल ऑफ स्किल एंड एफिशिएंसी फर्स्ट मेरिट है. सो इफ मोनोपोली कम्स इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस for the merger of many firms, level of skill and efficiency tends to improve because diverse abilities of different firms are combined. So when so many firms makes a group, it increases the skill and efficiency in the field, in that very field. So if monopoly comes into existence and a group of firms are merged in one firm, एक ही firm बना दी जाती है, the level of skills, for example, there is one firm, there is another firm, there is another firm, there is another firm. If firm A, B, C, D ये अलग अलग काम करेंगे तो उसमें ज्यादा स्किल या एफिशिएंसी नहीं होगी. अगर इनको हम मिलाएंगे, एक ही फर्म बनाएंगे, तो इससे स्किल और एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है. स्किल्ड जमा हो जाएंगे, वो अनस्किल्ड लोगों को भी ज्यादा काम दे देंगे. सो इट इंक्रीजेस स्किल एंड एफिशिएंसी इन द फील्ड, इन दैट वेरी फील्ड. सो फर्स्ट. सेकंड इज हाई लेवल ऑफ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. जिस तरह पेटेंट हमने देखा है, जब पेटेंट राइट दिया जाता है, हाई लेवल ऑफ research and development. Research and development. जब पेटेंट राइट दिया जाता है तो वो इससे इनकरेज होता है रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, जिससे नए नए इनोवेशंस आते हैं. तो ये इंक्रीज करता है रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट कंट्री में और फर्म में भी. नई नई चीजें वजूद में आती हैं क्योंकि वो सोचते हैं कि हम ही कुछ फिक्स्ड वक्त के लिए प्रॉफिट कमाएंगे और कोई नहीं कमा सकता है, बिकॉज वी विल बी गिवन पेटेंट राइट. सो दीज आर टू मेन मेरिट्स. तो डिमेरिट्स आप लिख लीजिए. डिमेरिट्स ऑफ दिस monopoly. Number first demerit is output under monopoly is always less than under perfect competition. Less output compared to compared to perfect market. So less output is produced as compared to perfect market. Less output is produced as compared to perfect market. So output under monopoly is always less than under perfect competition. It is true even when both under monopoly and perfect competition, firm's equilibrium is achieved when marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. This is because whereas under perfect competition, the firm is adjusts its output to a given price. So we can say that due to economic reasons, less output is produced in the monopoly as compared to perfect competition. In perfect competition, more output, unlimited output is produced. Number second is, which is prevalent in the high price, prevails compared to perfect market. Perfect market. Perfect market से price ज्यादा होता है, so which increase the standard of living of the buyers. तो buyers पे ज्यादा असर इस पे पड़ता है. Number third important is economic concentration. Economic concentration. That is उसे क्या मतलब है? The money and wealth is concentrated in some hands. Monopoly form of market encourages income and wealth. So we can say that is income and wealth. Wealth is concentrated in some hands. In some hands. In some hands, which creates economic inequality in the economy, which creates economic inequality in the economy. इसे economic inequality economy में हो जाती है. So we can say that under monopoly there is economic concentration. The wealth and income is concentrated or goes accumulated by some hands in the economy. The maximum people in the economy, they remain incomeless or wealthless. There exists economic inequality at high level when monopoly exists. So these are the merits and some demerits of monopoly market. Okay, काफी है आज के लिए.
yes, sir.
काफी है आज के लिए. तो
yes,
ये दो तीन क्वेश्चन हो गए ये.
yes, sir.
ये हर एक टर्म इसकी एक एक क्वेश्चन है. समझ आ गया? मैंने आपको
yes,
पेटेंट राइट लिखाया, अलग से क्वेश्चन हो सकता है व्हाट इज पेटेंट राइट. उसी में हमने उसी पॉइंट में पेटेंट लाइफ डिस्कस किया. अलग से क्वेश्चन हो सकता है व्हाट इज पेटेंट लाइफ. इट इज द नंबर ऑफ years for which patent right is granted to a firm or a person or an organization. The number of years for which patent right is given. इसी तरह what is patent right? It is official recognition granted to a firm or a person or an innovator for new technology or for discovering new product. Nobody can copy that product or technology. इसी तरह what is COTOL? ये अलग से एक क्वेश्चन है. COTOL है. इसी तरह एक टर्म है, हमने इसमें पहले ही टर्म गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग बताया. तो ये अलग क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, हाउ गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग creates or ensures monopoly in the market. किस तरह क्रिएट करती है गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंसिंग मोनोपोली इन द मार्केट. तो इसी तरह एक क्वेश्चन हमने लिखा लास्ट पे, व्हाई आर पेटेंट राइट इज ग्रांटेड, क्यों ये दिया जाता है, व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ ग्रांटिंग पेटेंट राइट. तो एक है ये क्वेश्चन मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स ऑफ मोनोपोली. तो कल हम मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन उठाएंगे. ठीक है, टुमारो We
Yes,
will
sir.
discuss the monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition. Thank you very much. कॉपी छुआ बना हुआ है, कॉपी बनाना
Yes,
घर में।
sir.
हाँ, कॉपी बनाना घर में। और घर के लिए आपको आज काम है, मैंने आपको कल भी दे दी काम, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन ऑफ देखना घर में, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन एंड इट इज फीचर्स। गूगल में देखना एंड इट इज फीचर। what is monopolistic competition, whatever it is, features. Particular reference ये देखना जरूरी, product differentiation. What is product differentiation? Product differentiation. Product differentiation. DIFFERENTIATION. Product differentiation. ये चीज है. What is monopolistic competition? What are its features? And what is product differentiation? ये इसी फीचर में है. एक product differentiation एक फीचर है. तो ये भी आप गूगल में कल देखना. ये आपके लिए असाइनमेंट है. दिस इज असाइनमेंट फॉर यू. यूट्यूब शाम के वक्त देखना है, खाना खाने के बाद रात के 10 बजे वो वहां यूट्यूब में या गूगल में देखना व्हाट इज मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन. फिर वो वीडियो देखना क्या है मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन. सो मोनोपोली हमने पढ़ा है और ये पढ़ा है व्हाट परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. परफेक्ट कंपटीशन और मोनोपोली हमने पढ़ा है. अब हमें रह गया मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन एंड इट इज फीचर्स. इसके फीचर्स क्या क्या हैं, बहुत जबरदस्त फीचर्स हैं इसके, तो पढ़ने के लायक हैं. फिर हम ओलिगोपोली भी पढ़ेंगे. अगर कल देखेंगे हम मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन उठाएंगे या ये ओलिगोपोली उठाएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
कोई क्वेश्चन?